In this video, I will show you how to clear cache on Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you want to do is open up Google Chrome. Once you've done that, come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots to open up this menu, and on this menu you want to come down and click onto settings. Once you're on your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto privacy and security, and then from here you want to come down to the privacy and security section and click the option which says delete browsing data. Now what that's going to do is open a window like this. From here, you can select the time range, so you can see mine's currently set for the last hour, but if you want to completely clear your cache, just come across, click onto them all, and select all time. Now, you can see we've got some different options. We've got browsing history, cookies and other site data, cached images and files, and download history. You can also show further options by clicking the show more button down here, but to delete just your cached images and files, of course, all you want to do is untick the boxes and just leave the cached images and files option ticked. Once that's done, come down and click the delete data button, and once you've done that, that's going to go ahead and delete your Google Chrome cache. So that's how to clear cache on Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.